Xero or QuickBooks, two of the biggest names in small business accounting, but which one actually makes your life easier? Xero has a cleaner, more modern feel. It's minimal, visual, and designed for people who aren't accountants. QuickBooks feels a bit more traditional. Not clunky, but definitely more layered. Both handle the basics: invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation reports, but QuickBooks edges out in the US specific features: stronger payroll, tax filing, and native mileage tracking. Xero shines in automation. It has smoother bank feeds and bulk transaction matching. And if you're doing international business, Xero includes multi-currency support in higher tiers, something QuickBooks hides behind an even pricier plan. QuickBooks is more expensive overall, and the pricing gets steep fast if you need advanced features. Xero's plans are more predictable, and they don't charge extra for users, which is a big deal if you have a growing team. Xero has an edge when it comes to integrations, with over 1,000 integrations. But if you're already deep in QuickBooks ecosystem, that might not matter. So go with Xero if you want modern design, automation, better value for teams. Stick with QuickBooks if you need a deeper US feature. Don't mind paying a bit extra for legacy stability. Do you want a deeper dive or a live walkthrough of each platform? Let me know in the comments. If you're using either in production, I'd love to hear how it's holding up. Catch you next time.